Hey GoPro, my Mini 11 is fucked up. It freezes and loses footage and hangs up while charging. Please, please, please give me my fucking money back. I don't care if these are on sale for 200 bucks right now. I just want my fucking money back because this is fucking trash to me. It will not fucking do its job. It it doesn't fucking shoot and record the things I need it to shoot. It freezes. Please give me my fucking money back. If you don't give me my money back, you know that I have no choice but to continue to rant about this bullshit every fucking day until you give me my fucking money back, you bitches. You fucking shameless bitches, GoPro. I want this camera to work so bad, but it freezes all the fucking time. This is the second one. You made me wait a month to get this thing replaced. And this is the second one, and it does the same shit as the first one. It fucking freezes and loses my footage, you piece of shit.